Hey guys, so I'm gonna make a chicken soup with a little bit of a twist just because I'm gonna add some salchichón or maybe some type of sausage, hard Spanish sausage in it at first. So what I'm gonna do is I already have my pot is hot. I'm throwing this right in. On the side, I already have I'm using half a chicken just because it's me, my husband, and my son. So I'm only using half a chicken. It's already cut up with no skin and seasoned. I seasoned it with adobo lite, some garlic, some pepper, and some oregano. So it's just relaxing on the side while I get some nice fat off of this. I'm Puerto Rican, so we actually make a soup just completely out of this sausage. Salchichón, how we call it. And it's so good because it's very flavorful. Because I was only using half a chicken, I just decided this is the only step that I'm doing that's different if I was just not to add this and make it a chicken soup. So, again, just getting all this nice little fat out. Nice little pattern going on. So now I'm going to add my chicken. That's already been seasoned and skin off, like I said. If you was just making a chicken soup, all you would have to do is just pre-cook your chicken, as I'm doing now. I'm going to add pumpkins and squash and carrots. And because I like my vegetables to get really nice and soft, or actually disappear from my son, actually, I put it in at the very beginning. So I'm just gonna let my chicken brown for 1 second, and I'm literally gonna throw in my pumpkin and squash and my carrots. Here I have some white rice because you can't have soup without white rice. At least not where I come from. Here's a piece of bone that I want to take out. I don't want anybody being stabbed with that. Okay, so here goes my vegetables. My pumpkin. My squash, my carrots. colors. I always use pumpkin in place of potato. To me, it's just healthier. So, but that's my choice. If you don't want to add pumpkin, you can add potatoes. It smells so good. We have all these beautiful colors going on. Super good. Just let that cook up for 5 more minutes or so. Now I'm gonna add my green gold, Sofrito. I like things to marry together before I start adding more stuff, so let that cook up for a few minutes. Now I'm gonna add some roasted red peppers, some olives. Let that marry up. That's pretty much your foundation to the soup. After this comes to a nice little boil, I would add my water and let it all come to a nice boil. And then I would add, you can add things if you want, like corn on the cob, which I plan to. You can add noodles. You can add basically whatever it is that you would want, but this is the foundation. Anything else is just extra. When it's close to done, I would taste it, see if you need a little bit more flavoring in there. But if not, you should be all set. Let me get my water together. Remember, always use cold water. You add as much water as you like. That's good enough for me because it's just 3 of us. But if I had more company, which at this time you can't, but if I did, I'd fill it up almost to the rim. Now I'm gonna let this, like I said, just boil together and let it all just marinate in that boiling stuff. When I think it's ready, I'm gonna add my corn on the cob, and then it'll be done. Chicken soup, y'all.